Question, exam style question 2, we have ABC lie on the circle with center O. Angle AOC is 3x plus 22 degree. This angle is 3x plus 22, and angle ABC is 5x degree. Find the value of x. Okay. Now we have to decide that this is the arc AC that is subtending some angle at the center, which is the O, and the same arc subtending some angle at a point on the circle. So it's very clear that we will use the circle angle properties theorem, which says that the angle at the center subtended by some arc is twice the angle subtended at some point on the circle by the same arc. So we come to know that angle ABC is half of the angle AOC, right? Because both are subtended by the same arc AC. Now we will use this property. What is angle ABC? 5x degree, and then half of AOC. What is AOC? 3x plus 22. I'm ignoring the degree sign because we can find the value of x from here. Then we would have 2 comes here. 5 times 2 is 10x equals 3x plus 22. This way we'll find x 10x minus 3x equals 22, and 7x equals 22, and henceforth x equals 22 over 7. Okay, and notice that you would start your answer exactly from here. Decision is like you're deciding that which angle property of the circle we will use, or which theorem of circle angles theorem we would use, and then start your answer from here. Okay, in part B, this is part B of the exam style question 2. So in part B of the exam style question 2, we have 2 tangents drawn from a common point A. AC and AB are tangent to the circle, I'm sorry. And B and C are the points on the circle. Angle BAC, this whole angle is 40 degree. Notice also that when this is the case, 2 tangents drawn from the same point, so we need to use again the circle theorem, which says that when tangents are drawn from the same point, the length of the tangents, the length of the line from the point on the circle to that same point will be equal. AB will be equal to AC. What else do we know? This would be the radius. This would be the radius. We do know that tangent and radius are perpendicular, and. If two angles are these two are perpendicular, and what we have to find the angle BOC. This whole angle we have to find. Okay, to find the angle BOC, we can first find angle BOA and twice it. Then we will find the angle BOC. So let's find this angle. When we draw the line from A to O, as A is a common point, same common point from where the 2 tangents are drawn, that line OA is the angle bisector as well. So OA is the angle bisector. If this is the angle bisector, it means the whole angle was 40, as they have written. The angle in one of the triangle, any triangle we can consider either OAC or OAB. One of the angle in the triangle at the vertex A is 20 degree, half of the 40, as OA is the angle bisector. Now we can find this angle and then twice it, so it will be the angle BOC. Let's find it out. Again, we have to now use the angle properties. So in angle properties of triangles, in triangle OAB, let's say, we know that angle sum 90 plus 20 plus angle at O will be equal to 180 degree. This way, angle at O will be equal to 70 degree, and henceforth, angle BOC is twice of the 70 degree, twice of this angle. So it's going to be 2 times 70, which is 140 degree. All right.